just wanna slide. Parties in the sky like it's 2055. She said, no, you nice.
Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Tisha Isabella. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this frontal wig. It's a 16-inch body wave. I already bleached the knots and washed the entire wig. If you would like to see the video on how I bleached the knots, I'm going to put the link in the description. Right here, I'm just cutting out the lace that's not needed. I do not do the ball cap method. I've never done the ball cap method. Maybe next time I'll try it out. But what I'm doing here now is I put the glue around the perimeter of my edges. I do not put it on my edges. I put it right before my edges. And I'm just smoothing it flat around. And I'll blow dry it on cool. And I'll do about 3 more layers. I do maybe 4 in total. Once the glue starts turning transparent, that's when I'll go add my next layers. Try to apply the ghost bond or whatever glue you use as smooth as you can. I'm going to let the last layer of the glue air dry. While that's air drying, I'm going to go ahead and add my makeup to the lace. Whatever is your color, your lace, your foundation, use that on your lace so it'll blend in better. When I place the wig on, I like to comb through it so that glue doesn't stick to the hairs. Right here, I'm just taking out how many edges I want and where I want them at. I'm going to go in with my wax stick before I use my pressing comb. I add got to be glue around the edges and rub it in and tie it down. While I let the lace melt, I'm going to go ahead and curl my hair. Most people use the elastic band, but I just use my bandana and it gives me a good melt every time. Now I'm just going to cut my lace with my razor. I added too much makeup on my lace right here, but I'm going to fix it in the end. Right here, I'm just cutting my baby hairs with a razor. I'll try not to cut it straight across. I like my sideburns long, so that's why it's long. Using the pressing comb, I'm going to press it down just to give it more of a flat look. Now using my small flat iron, I'm just gonna flat iron the baby hairs going backwards. This just makes it easier for me to lay my baby hairs. Using my edge brush, I'm going to smooth some got to be glue on the edges. I like to put the mousse on my edge brush and then start doing my edges. Take your time with your edges, don't rush. You want them to look good and neat. I'm just gonna let y'all watch. I don't really know what else to say. To keep it in place, I like to blow dry it on cool. How I'm going to fix that I put too much makeup on my lace, I'm just going to add some mousse. Now I'm going to apply my wax stick all over and use the pressing comb just to give the wig a flat look. I'm gonna tie it down one more time just to give it that flat look. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't really go in depth too much. I don't think I did because I never really do hair tutorials, but I'm gonna get better, and I hope you guys like this. I'm no arrogant Tay, but I think I do a good job. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel right now so you can get more content. I got another 30-inch deep wave coming, so I'm gonna do that next, and I just hope you guys enjoy the video.